What's up, you guys? Thanks so much for coming through. I am super lit right now. My package from Amazon came through today, and I just want to show you the unboxing of what comes in the bundle package when you're purchasing the Explore Air 2. Besides the actual machine, which this was the only color that the vendor offered, it's really sleek, super pretty. You got a place to hold your accessories. This is a cartridge slot for any previous Cricut owners, or if you purchase any new cartridges, then you put them in there. You have the A side for accessories like pins and the B side for the blade. And these are the standard features that come on the machine. Makes it real simple, doesn't have too many buttons. That's one thing that I was really excited about. You'll also get your instruction kit. It comes with 5 fine point pins, an additional pin. You'll get 4 sheets of heat transfer vinyl. And on the back of it, it gives you some instructions as well as, 10%, okay. As well as like a first project that you can do. You'll also get your Cricut mat, which make sure you save this part because it's really sticky so that you'll be able to feed it into the machine. You'll also get your basic tool set. Ow. And you'll get 8 more sheets of vinyl. However, these are not heat transfer. It's regular schmegular sheets of vinyl. And the cords. This cord here goes to the machine, from the machine to the wall. And this one here, I'm assuming it goes from the machine to a computer. But you guys, I'm so excited. If you don't know what the Cricut Explore Air is 2, definitely check it out. You're going to be able to make so many stuff with this. I'm a realtor. I am a mother. So when it comes to projects, shirts, crafting, this has just opened the door for me so much. So here it is, you guys. The link's provided below.